Okay. So there are lightning strikes here. I'm trying to catch one on video. Kind of tiring for the arm, but I think it'll pay off in the end. I don't know if this commentary is even being recorded. Oh, I think I just called a bolt. Oh yeah. Okay, using both hands now. All this tiring. I just caught the bolt by myself. I'm sure the camera and the tripod, it would be so wonderful to get a wide angle camera. Just take a photo of the entire sky. Oh, there was one up there, but missed it. Okay. It's raining out here, so this is kinda scary. I'm worried I'm going to short circuit something. This isn't fun anyway. Oh, no zoom, which is unfortunate and annoying. It's raining. It's not good. Not healthy at all. Not for the camera anyway. Alright, scanning the scanning evening skies again. Lightning strikes. So awesome to get one thing of the video. Just want to had several videos of it. I have a collection of the lightning strike videos. I feel like it'll be very, very useful. Especially with 3D animation and design and everything. I know this commentary is slightly boring. I'll edit it out when I, composite these together. A composite video with all the lightning strikes individually as each one of them strike. It's kind of a random process. A lot of energy stored in it. The sound, I think, can give away how much energy one strike has in it. The hard part is I don't want to cut out any bit of any lightning strike that happens, so I just have to constantly scan and stop the moment I see one. And there's a delay on this. Wish this thing had the wide angle my eyes had. Oh, I saw such a beautiful one and missed it. Fish. Fish. They're all just happening. There's no rhyme or reason. They just happen. I don't intend to keep this like this. My body's trembling. I gotta keep it moving. Just in case. Well, you can tell the camera's slightly tilted. I'm sorry about that. I can't help it. I have no sense of orientation facing the sky. Would you have a sense of orientation? Probably not. Alright, I'm acting like I'm talking to someone. I don't think I am. There's no one here. Yes, I know it's kind of creepy, but you have to admit, it's kind of cool. No, not me talking to myself like this. Because I'm not talking to myself. I'm just videoing the sky. Okay, I'm talking to the sky deity, the god of thunder. I'm talking to Thor. Thor seems like a nice fella. Oh, got a bit in this corner. You missed it. I'm gonna go stand somewhere else. I'm missing a lot. Keeping this like this. Jeez, my brother's gonna be like, what kind of a creep are you? Taking a video of the freaking sky trying to catch something. It's highly improbable for you to catch. But the event itself is not that improbable. No, maybe right now is the best time to refute my friend's point. If we knew the initial conditions of any system, then we could predict the future. I disagree with that. I think the fundamental nature of the universe in itself is probabilistic. As he puts it, one cause is only one event, one result. As I say, one cause is multiple events, multiple results. Oh, got raindrops. Raindrops are falling on my head. Raindrops are falling. Okay, sorry for the bad singing. My utmost apologies. Okay, I'm gonna give up. I should just give up, but then lightning will strike in accordance with Murphy's laws of probability. Something you want doesn't happen, almost certainly. Yep, like I said, if I had stopped then, I would have missed that one. Okay, I know I'm boring everyone. I wish you could zoom, not while videoing. Just I could zoom out right now, but fortunately not. I have that choice. Or those kids think I'm insane or something. Two kids playing basketball at my school. So should I go on talking about the fundamental principle of existence itself being probabilistic? i.e. one causes, one event, one result. Yeah, I'll go on about that. But he says if we know all the initial starting conditions of things, we can predict the future. I disagree. I think that even if we knew that, we'd only be able to calculate two